I'm just trying to cut my grass, friends. That's all I'm trying to do. All like, take care of my shit. And I'm cutting the grass along the road, and all of a sudden, one of my 3 damn blades just flies out from underneath. The bolt came off. Can't find the bolt. I'm about to crawl underneath my lawnmower so I can get another bolt off of one of the other blades and go match it at Lowe's, because the ones they sold me before were not the correct ones. What the hell? Please work. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all that fishing line. As frustrated as I am right now, I do kind of feel like a bad bitch. Ah! Okay. Please don't fall on me. I did it! Okay. Dear baby Jesus, please fucking work. How come that's not? No? Why aren't you going on there, you fucking bolt? You socket. You're supposed to be the same size. Socket to you, alright, motherfucker. I'm gonna get a hand ratchet now. Apparently a hand job is gonna be better than a blow job. Why is it going in? Okay, let's take it out. Okay. March. Oh, fuck, why? It's the same screw! Sort of. Maybe it's not. These fuckers are screwing me over. I'm not gonna have my grass cut for this weekend for my fishers. And that makes me so angry. Because I'm a recovering perfectionist. Well, I'm leaving the John Deere store with the bolts. I got 3 because I don't want to have to do this again. You're a bad screw. Bad screw. Good screw. Actually, you're not a bad screw. Lowe's just did a bad job of giving me the right freaking screws for the 2nd time in a row. We're excited. Okay, forward. I did it! Now I only have like 2 hours of daylight left to mow. Full disclosure, since I am it's after 5 p.m., I did take a gummy. So I'm going to greatly enjoy cutting all of this grass. That's right. This is my sunset. I can't wait for you guys all to come see it. I want to eat them. Do sunsets ever get old? It's just breathtaking.